Well, this is going to be a short video. I'm going to use a calculator because I can't do Desmos for some dumb reason. But here we go. So I'm just going to take the log of both sides. This is why logs are still somewhat needed, not as much as it used to be. I'm going to do base 10 to make life easier. Bring the power out. So then I divide both sides by log of 2 to get the x by itself. So on my handy dandy calculator, I would do log of, what was my number? 7. Now, you have to be careful. You have to close the parentheses, or you will get a wrong answer. Divided by log of 0.2. Now this one you don't need to close because there's nothing after it. And I get an answer of 2.8. Now notice 2 cubed is 8. So we knew this should be just under 3. So this one we'd have log of 6 x plus 1 equals log of 5,000. So bring out the x plus 1. So x plus 1 equals log of 5,000 divided by log of 6. And I'm just going to do it. So this one, log of 4 to the 2x equals log of 9,000. So it'd be 2x log of 4 using the laws of logarithms. Divide by log of 4. So we have log of 9,000 divided by log of 4. Then you divide that by 2. Oh, I get 3.28. Now, on Desmos, you can actually do this in the calculator and go ahead. If something happens, you have to use calculator. Doesn't, just rewrite it as exponential. And then take the log of both sides. Now notice that's log of 6 to the x, not 6x. I wrote that kind of low, so bring the x out. So x equals log of 700 divided by log of 6. Now, we only did one story problem because, to be honest, we're a little bit behind where I want to be. We're about 4 days, but we were about a week and a half. So I am not worried. But it's the exponential. It deals with money. A is the amount of money that you actually had to pay over the time period or the amount of money you got. So I put money in bank for 3 years. It's how much money you'd have in the bank after the 3 years. P is how much you put into the bank or how much you borrowed. It's called the principal. R is the interest rate that you're getting as a decimal. N is how many times a year is it compounded. And T is number of years that you actually put it in the bank or how much you borrowed. So if a house used to be 30 years, but now it doesn't have to be, whatever you plan. Okay, have a good day.